welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will show you how I'm gonna be making my giant lollipops for my yard decoration because I'll be making a Candyland theme for Christmas. Let's get started. First, we need 2 bowls. You can get the one with colors already, or you can get the transparent ones from Dollar Tree and then just spray paint them later on. These ones have texture, but later on I will show you bigger bowls that I used without texture. So first thing that we want to do is to attach them together using glue stick. Put the glue as fast as you can so it won't dry up. And then after putting them together, let it sit for a minute. And then after that, it should be ready for painting. Spray paint it in an open area and make sure to use a paint that holds in plastic. Finish the top and let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then flip it over and finish the other side and let everything dry up for another hour. After that, it should be ready for us to do the next step. Now we're gonna poke a hole using a hot screwdriver. After making a hole, we're now attaching the handle. This is the handle from a broom that I also got from Dollar Tree. And I'm attaching them using glue and some zip ties. You can probably see that I have some cracks, but that's okay. Just make sure to put glue in those cracks and everything should be fine. Now we're gonna wrap it with plastic and then tie with a string. And then finally make a bow using ribbons that I also got from Dollar Tree. They have different colors and patterns to choose from. And we're finally done making my giant lollipops. I made different colors, and I'm gonna be making some more, then start decorating our yard. Watch out for more videos because I'll be making some more DIY Christmas ornaments with Candyland theme, and I'm gonna be sharing them with you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment what you think about these giant ornaments that I made. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye!